What are the standalone functions of the dot watch?
The dot watch can be used without pairing with a smartphone. In the standalone mode, the dot watch tells date and time, down to seconds, and it also includes functions such as the timer, stopwatch, and checking the battery status. If not paired and synced with a smartphone, the time of the dot watch has to be manually set. While the dot watch is turned on, press and hold both the select button and the home button for more than 3 seconds to enter the time setting. Along with a brief vibration, SET, S-E-T, will be displayed. Press the select button to start the time setting. Use the crown and the select button to set the time in the order of hours, minutes, and seconds. Once the time is set, the dot watch will vibrate to notify the time is successfully set.